Agility Robotics showcases an increasing familiar sight: advanced, autonomous robots performing boring warehouse tasks. It's not the sort of video that tends to be hugely viral for a company. Rather, it's the sort of meat and potatoes proof of concept that companies like Boston Dynamics wedge between flashy videos of parkour and highly choreographed dance sessions. This is precisely the sort of tasks the robot's creators are targeting. Digit, the bipedal robot the company announced back in 2020, had its most high-profile moment in the spotlight, after Agility announced a partnership with auto giant Ford back at CES. The auto giant currently owns 2 of the robots, with long-term plans to utilize the technology for delivery. Today's video is an attempt to showcase some more short-term solutions, putting Digit to work on more menial tasks. The value and goal of a machine like Digit is the generality.